Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to tap on apps and notifications. Right now we have to tap on see all 30 apps, and here tap on the three dot icon in the right upper corner. Tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what it will reset. So it will reset preferences for disabled apps and their notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So just tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.